In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of any image using Canva. Before we start, open your design in Canva so you can follow along on the canvas you are working with. We'll walk through two simple approaches: duotone, which is best for logos and flat graphics, and color edit, which is great for adjusting specific colors inside a photo. Let's begin with duotone. Select the image you want to recolor and click Edit Photo. In the sidebar, go to Effects and find Duotone. This tool maps the light and dark parts of your image to two colors, highlights and shadows. You can choose a preset to get instant results, or click Custom to fine tune the exact look. Highlights affect the lighter areas, shadows affect the darker areas. If you want a clean uniform color perfect for icons, simple logos, or flat illustrations, set both highlights and shadows to the same color. That tells Canva to treat the whole graphic as a single tone, giving you a solid, consistent finish. This is especially helpful for brand consistency, where you want that exact on-brand hue to carry across your assets. If you need variety, try slightly different highlight and shadow tones to add subtle depth while staying in the same color family. Now, for images with multiple colors, think product photos, clothing, or scenery, use Color Edit. Select your photo and click Edit Photo. Switch to the Adjust tab. Then open the Color Edit section. Click on a specific color within your image to target it. From there, use the hue, saturation, and brightness controls to refine that color. Hue shifts the color itself, moving it around the color wheel. Saturation controls how intense or muted it appears. Brightness makes the selected color lighter or darker. This is perfect when you want to change, say, a blue shirt to green, or tone down an overly bright accent without affecting the entire image. If your first click grabs more or less than you intended, try selecting a slightly different spot of the same color to refine what's being edited. Thanks for watching.